Great e-commerce email marketing starts with a clean, up-to-date list of email contacts called subscribers. To create your first list, navigate to the Subscribers tab, then under New List, enter your new list's name and click Create New List. Once your list is created, you'll be able to enter subscribers manually or import them from a CSV file. You can usually export this from any email app you use. It's okay to have the same subscribers on multiple lists. We'll never send duplicate emails to the same subscriber, and if you're on a plan, you'll only be charged for emails sent to unique subscribers. Contacts who have unsubscribed previously or aren't subscribed in your e-commerce platform like Shopify won't be added to the list and will be under suppressed. If you don't have any subscribers yet, set up your email collection pop-up or embed your HTML form. I've already made a video about the most effective pop-ups that I'll link down below. Happy sending!